In today's video, I will demonstrate how to intentionally corrupt a file. Here are a few methods you can use. Method 1. Using a professional file corruption tool. I am using Remo software online file corruptor. Choose the file you want to corrupt and upload it to the website. Now download and try opening it. Method 2. Using Notepad editor. Open the file in Notepad. Right-click on the file and select Edit with Notepad. Delete or modify some of the text within the file. Save the file with the same name and extension. Method 3. Using a hex editor. A hex editor is software that allows users to view, edit, and run the binary code of hexadecimal coded files on a computer. You can try this on videos, photos, documents, PDF files, and more. Remember, intentionally corrupting files can have unintended consequences, so use these methods responsibly. If you accidentally corrupt an important file, there are file repair tools available that may be able to restore it. Click on the link in description to know more on how to corrupt a file.